Today we are going to learn how to make our sprite move. It's very easy and I think it's going to be really fun. The first thing you need to do is up at the very top you need to hit create. This will open a new Scratch project. And as you can see, you have the cat here. So if you like, you can use the cat, or you can click down here and there's a picture of a cat with a little plus sign and a circle around it. And if you click on that, it opens up and you can see that there are several different sprites that you can choose from. So right now, I think I might pick the bear. And then I might take my cat. I'm going to click down here. There's a trash can with an X and I'm going to click on that. And then I'll move my bear back to the side. Now I would like my bear to move. If you come over to the sides, there's different circles that are different colors. One's a motion, one's a look, one's a sound, and one's an event. We're going to stick with the motion right now. I'm going to click the move block over here. And now if I click the flag, oh wow, nothing happens. So what should I do? Well, you need to go over to the yellow blocks. They're called an event. An event block is when the flag is clicked. So that means that when you click this green flag, the bear is going to move 10 blocks. So let's look. Okay, look, I'm going to click it again. And I'm going to click it again. Now click it again. Well, that sounds great, but maybe I don't want to have to click it over and over again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the orange blocks and I'm going to get a repeat block. This is called a loop. So I put the move inside here, and now when I click the flag, the bear automatically moves 10 steps. Now I might want him to move more than that and try to get to the edge of the screen, so maybe I'll have him move 15 steps. And it's being repeated 10 times. Again, this is called a loop. So I'm going to move the bear back, click the flag, and he got closer. You might want to try that again. Maybe we'll change this to 20. Click the flag and the bear moves. The next thing is I don't want to keep putting the bear back each time. So if you can see, here's a bear. And down here it says bear, and then it says the X is negative 138 or minus 138, and the Y is negative or minus 88. So if you move the bear over, you notice that the X value changes. So I'll move them back. And when you move them up, you notice that that Y value changes. Okay, so I'll move them back down. So I want them around here. So I'm going to go back to the motion block, and now I'm going to get the go to X, Y, and I'm going to put that underneath when the flag is clicked. So let's see what happens. Okay, the bear moves. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to click the flag. He moves back. I might even want to put maybe a wait block in there. So maybe I'll go over here and I'll put wait. Let's click the flag. And the bear waited for a second before it moved. Finally, please, please, please click save now. It is not fun to lose work, so make sure you click save now. Well, I hope you had fun with this. Let's see how you make your sprites move, and maybe you can even figure out how to make your sprite move backwards. Have fun with this.